Welcome to Devon Creek Villas, an amenity-rich community nestled in the heart of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, with custom floor plans created to enhance your lifestyle. Discover a variety of villa floor plans like the Maplewood Farmhouse, featured as a model home in our community, which has beautiful design options like a 2-story family room and classic kitchen. At the heart of Devon Creek lies a state-of-the-art clubhouse, offering endless opportunities to connect, unwind, and celebrate life. Whether you're hitting the gym, lounging by the pool, or gathering with neighbors, our community provides something for everyone to enjoy. Your dream home at Devon Creek is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary where comfort meets elegance. Our dedicated team will guide you through the new construction process, ensuring that every detail in your dream home is tailored to your needs and preferences. Explore the beauty of the outdoors along the local rail trails and immerse yourself in the vibrant art and culture scene. Delve into Lancaster's rich history with visits to iconic landmarks like the Lancaster Science Factory, the DeMuth Museum, and the historic Fulton Theater. Conveniently located just minutes away from major highways, top-rated schools, and bustling shopping centers, Devon Creek offers the perfect blend of convenience and tranquility. Embark on your new home journey with the Villas at Devon Creek.